In this video, we're going to be covering how to research the competition for your local cleaning business. Before we do that, I want to talk about a few statistics that the Canadian House Cleaning Association released recently. This is all going to make sense when we talk about how to research your competition and what's most important. So they put out this stat that says 72% of businesses miss the first phone call from potential clients. 72%. If you call them, they don't answer the phone. On top of that, if you leave a voicemail, only a third of them will actually call you back. Pretty shocking, right? And then the last one is over 90% of house cleaning businesses lack any kind of customer relationship management system, CRM, or email marketing or online booking. So 90% of them don't have modern technology to manage their operations. Let's dive into how do we research the competition in our local areas. You probably guessed it. You're going to go to Google. Type into Google, cleaning services, and then your location. So if you're in New York City or Los Angeles or Toronto, wherever you are, type in your location. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the top 10 companies that show up on Google. You're going to click on every single one that shows up and look at their websites. In about 10 seconds, can you figure out if you can book online today? Can you enter your name, your email, your phone number, your address, put down a credit card, choose a date and a time and a type of cleaning, and book online? Some of the websites will have query forms, and a query form means you fill that out, but you don't put a credit card down, and then the cleaning company will read it when it's convenient for them and then call you back, maybe. Okay, so you're going to search these websites, and first you're probably going to notice design-wise, yeah, these aren't really that pretty. And that's okay. There's a lot of words, there's a lot of jumbled up stuff, but let's just click through and see what we find. Okay, we found one with a query form. So they're trying to be a little bit modern, but they don't take bookings today, right now. I can't put my credit card in. I can't choose my date and time. I'm waiting for them to call me, and I want to get it today. So let's keep looking. Okay, here's another one. Well, they have a phone number. That's good. So I'm going to write that down, and I'm going to call them in a minute. Okay, another query form. Just a query form, so they'll call me back when it's convenient for them. Okay, keep going. And as you can see, there's a lot of opportunity here. Okay, so we have not found a single cleaning company yet that actually offers online booking. Pretty amazing, right? And this is what your edge is going to be. By having a ConvertLabs website where you can actually book online today and have it also be clean and beautiful. Right? There's something about going to a cleaning website and seeing a cluttered, messy website that just kind of turns you off. The second thing we do is we then look at phoning them. And by the way, keep track of this in a really simple spreadsheet. You can just have like 3 columns, name of the company, do they have online booking, and what happens when you phone them. And then the final column will be pricing. We're about to get into that. So first, do they answer the phone when you call? Now, if you're an introvert, I know you don't want to pick up the phone. Trust me, I get it. But you'll see this is really important for you to do. So when you phone them, you're going to ask, and you'll pretend to be a client. And don't worry, they're going to do this to you eventually too. Okay, so don't panic that you're being deceitful. You're not. You're just being a local business person. This is what everyone does. So phone them and say, hey, I have whatever your size house is, and I'd like biweekly cleaning services. How much do you think that would be? Do you have availability? And maybe ask a few more questions. That's if they answer the phone. Then if they give you a price, write that down somewhere. Then you're going to take a look and you're going to say, okay, out of 10 companies, what percentage answered the phone? So if 3 answered the phone, you have your answer. 30% answer the phone. That means 70% are leaving money on the table. Because when somebody's calling a cleaning company, they want to book a cleaning. It is truly as simple as that. Then you're going to have your information about your pricing. And it's fairly simple. How much are they going to charge for your size home? Now, in my case, I would use 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. That's the average size of a home in my city. What I want you to really remember is that it only takes about 100 recurring clients to bring in $500,000 in revenue for a house cleaning business. Okay, so that's not chump change. This is big money, but it only takes about 100 people. So for those of you that are in cities like New York City or Los Angeles, you might find that there's already quite a few companies that offer online booking. They have transparent pricing and they answer the phone. So the competition is a little bit more fierce in those areas. I'm not going to lie to you. It is. They've been around longer than you have in this space. But here's where the opportunity lies. They've gone broad. So to be competitive, what happens if you type your neighborhood in that city? So cleaning services and then Williamsburg, for example. If you type that in, I bet you'll find that the other companies are really focused on broad New York City. And by hyper-focusing on a small local area, you'll actually still be able to be competitive because chances are they're missing that area. It might not be Williamsburg, it might be a different area. But point is, you can keep looking, keep searching, and you'll probably find where the opportunity lies. Last thing I would ask, please leave us a comment below and let us know what you found out. This is one of the most interesting parts of what we do here at Cleaning Company Blueprint, and we love finding out where the opportunities lie. And finally, if you want to just follow along and see what other people have already done by following this channel, click on the hot seat calls. So those are long form videos where I interview other people that have started their cleaning businesses and where they are. Jake and Emmy, for example, found us on this channel and they're in Dubuque, Iowa. 60,000 people live in Dubuque, Iowa. They did exactly what you're about to do by doing their research, and they discovered there wasn't a single cleaning company in 2024 that offered online booking in Dubuque, Iowa. They're now generating $12,000 a month in revenue. It only took them about 6 months to get there. Just want to flag that there for you as some inspiration, and please do report your findings. We absolutely love hearing from you. Thanks so much.